Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I've always thought about ways that I can remove nose hair because it's annoying. I hate it. You know, I have thought about the nose waxing, using just like little scissors to cut in there. But I had an idea, and I think that this is going to work really well. And I'm going to try it for the first time here. So let's see if this works. I was going to use needle nose pliers. This is pulled it right out of the toolbox. Look at that. It's got like a grip on there that could grab all those hairs, and then I'm just gonna yank them all out. It's gonna be good, I think. So we're gonna try it and see if this is a success. Okay. Now, this nose thing looks like it would fit right up there. So let me see, get the right angle. Okay, I got like two hairs. Can you see that? I thought it'd be better than that. Let me see. Oh, I think I got a bunch of them here. Ow! Whoa, I got a whole bunch. Look at that. Amazing. Why does it look like there's stuff on them? Let me try more. It doesn't even hurt because you're pulling out all of them at the same time. Let me try this side. Wait a minute. Let me try. Oh, let me try this side. That wasn't very good. Okay. Ow! Got a couple there. It smells like metal and grease and tools because I don't even wash this thing. Ooh, there's some long ones. It's pretty disgusting. Why do I do this on YouTube? I'm like, so disgusting. Anyway, that seemed to do the trick. So make sure you subscribe and comment on your techniques. And like and share. And see you guys later. Woo!